I'm gonna teach you 3 powerful signs that you can use to get high win rate trades. These are the signs that I personally look out for when entering into a trade. Let's look at the first sign right now. We are only using 2 time frames for this strategy, the 1 hour time frame and the 15-minute. I'm gonna be using the 15-minute time frame for my entries. For your entry, you can use whatever time frame you want, be it 5 minutes for scalping or 1 hour for swing trading. This strategy will work. So right now you can see that the market structure is bullish and price is in a clear uptrend. If you can't identify that, go to the 15-minute time frame and look to see what price is doing. And as you can see, price is just creating your higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Price is just making your push phase, retrace, push phase, retrace. So we are in a clear uptrend. Price has just made a higher high, which shows us that there is a lot of buying pressure. But it went back down and break below and now it's all the way down here. This may show us that there's a little bit of selling pressure and price might reverse and head back down. But we do not want to enter for a sell here yet. We want to wait for the market to come back to a key level so that we can have additional confluence, additional confirmation. Most traders that are not patient enough to wait for price to come back to a key level, so they end up taking trades when price is in the middle of nowhere, just like this, and then they end up getting stopped out. What we are going to do is that we're going to be patient and wait. It doesn't really matter if price reverse at this key level and go down and we miss that entry. It doesn't matter to us. We are still going to be waiting for price to come back up to this key level and then go back down like this. This is a very good strategy to use if you are working at your full-time job or you do not have the time to look at the charts. What you can do is that you can just play an alert at this level, and then when price eventually get up to that level, TradingView will send you like an alert telling you that price is at that level. Then you can open up your phone and execute the trade from there. Right now, I want you to look at the candlesticks that is approaching this major resistance level that we have drawn right here. Let me just zoom in for you guys to see. And you can see price is making big candlesticks, big candlesticks. Big candlesticks means that there is a lot of momentum, a lot of buying pressure pushing the price up. So we might be expecting price to break through this key level, right? But look at this next candle. It's actually a small red candle at this resistance level. This tells us that the buyer's momentum is gone. It's getting lesser and lesser and the sellers are going to take over the market. Now what we can do is that we can go down to like the smaller time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame, to look for our entries. Now we're going to wait for the market to give us like a very strong bearish confirmation that tell us that price is going to reverse and head back down. So right here, when price at this key level, we still wait to see what price is doing. And as you can see, price just broke out of like this little level that price has failed to break past multiple times. So it just broke out of this level, and this shows us that price might be heading back down. Yeah, we can pretty much just see like this candlestick close below this level right here and it just broke structure. So at this point of time, this is when we can enter for the sell position. You can pretty much see right here, there is a lot of buying pressure and a lot of momentum pushing the price up. But then as price approaches this key resistance level, it starts to lose momentum. And at this point of time, the sellers are taking control of the market and the sellers are pushing the price back down. So that is how we can get a very nice reversal. So I'll just enter for a sell position right here. Are we gonna win this trade every single time for sure? Hell no! But the more often you take these trades in a systematic way and be patient enough to wait for price to come back up to these key levels and wait for confirmation, the higher the chance that you are going to become a consistently profitable trader in the long run. Actually, you know what? I still would have entered right here because like it didn't give us like a very nice close below this key level. You can see it gave us like a long wick candle, which shows us that price can still continue to go up and retest this level before going back down. So we still wait and see what price showed us. And as you can see, price did exactly what I thought it will. It went back up to retest this level once again, and now it's creating a lower high. You can see this high is lower than this one. So at this point of time, we are still waiting for price to break through this little support level that we have drawn right here and give us like a very nice close, and then that is when we can enter for the trade. So we still wait And as you can see, price consolidate, and finally it's like finally breaking past, but this is still gave us a wick, right? And then it gave us a long wick again. We are still not gonna be entering right here. I want to look for like a very nice close below, like a nice red body below this key support level, then I will enter. So we wait, and as you can see, maybe price giving us that. Right here, this is when we can enter or sell right here, and I'll place my stop loss above this little support level that we have drawn right here, and then place my take profit at 2 times my stop loss, which is all the way down here, 2 times my stop loss. And let's look at how this trade play out. Okay, price went down and smashed our take profit before like reversing and heading back up. Now let's look at the second sign.